What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Goku step by step. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw Goku step by step. So for this video I'm going to need a 0.5 mechanical pencil and a stick erasers for erasing thick lines and an inking pen for inking our drawing and an eraser for erasing after inking and a sharpener for sharpening our color pencil and finally some color pencil for coloring our drawing. So first I'm going to start by drawing the shape of his face. Then I'm going to draw his eye. I'm going to draw two curved lines and a straight lines at the end and connecting to each other, and his eye lines, and finally his eye and his famous cheek marks. Don't forget to add this one, and I'm going to draw the same process for the left side. Then I'm going to draw the shape of his face. I'm going to draw a triangle. Then I'm going to draw his mouth really close to his nose. Then we're going to start by drawing his shape of his ear. So simply by drawing curved line and going downwards and connect to his face lines. Then I'm going to add detail on it. So I'm going to draw the same process for the left side. For the left side, I'm using a ruler for the perfect proportion and I'm going to add the detail on it. So then I'm going to draw one of his spikes. The spikes will be outside the box. I'm going to draw a cone here and I'm going to draw the rest of his spikes. And so then let's move to his neck. I'm going to draw two curved lines from the A, starting from the ear. Then we'll move to his hair. Then I'm going to complete the hair. So I'm going to draw two spikes. Then I'm going to draw the rest of his hair. Then we will move to his shoulder. I'm going to draw a straight line. Then I'm going to draw his collar of his shirt. As you can see, I've made a straight line. That should be our rough line for our chest muscles for the perfect proportion. Then I'm going to draw his chest muscle and add detail on it. So we're going to complete his collar. Then I'm going to draw his top shirt. First, I'm making a rough sketch of it. So this is a rough sketch, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Now we're going to start by drawing his muscles. So then I'm going to add some random lumps on his shirt so that I can give shades easily. And we're done by sketching. Let's move to inking. For inking, I'm using a 0.5 inking pen, but you can use 0.1 too. So after inking, I'm using a normal eraser for erasing the sketch lines, but you can use a charcoal eraser for erasing. So as you can see, I'm using a 1-cup marker for coloring his hair. So as you can see, after leaving some white space, I will color with the pen because I don't want to leave my drawing. After coloring the hair, I will use the darker silver tone. I will use the darker silver tone for the lightest tone. Coloring his hair, let's move to his face. So I'm using the medium face tone. I'm going to use the medium from the lightest, and I'm going to add some dark brown for getting a more realistic shade. color, I'm using the darkest blue. Then I'm going to add some little bit light tone. Then I'm going to add some sky blue color so that I can get a more realistic shade on the color. I'm using a red color pencil and some dark brown, and I'm going to use a light orange color pencil for the shirt. After coloring his shirt, let's move to his hand. I'm going to do the same thing as we do in the face and his chest lines. And we're done, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell for getting the latest tutorial. I upload video every weekend, and let me know what you think about the video down in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram for getting my latest updates. See you on the next video. Until that, stay awesome.